up, simpletons? Today's another special video because I am not doing this alone. I actually have my friend Nicole.
Hi guys, I'm Nicole and I like to do fashion DIYs.
So Nicole is a DIY queen and she actually took a bunch of sweaters that we bought from Value Village and cropped them because I love crop sweaters. Crop sweaters are in, the 90s are in. Get with the times. Let's go.
Yeah.
That, give this video a thumbs up if you want more lookbooks, and if you love the video, comment below on what your favorite look was, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Simpleton family and to Nicole because she's actually so talented and she DIY'd her freaking top.
Thank you. If you'd like to check out my top, I will have that linked down below for you.
And we will see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!
Okay, bye!
I'm so awkward.
So spring is just around the corner and it's been bleh. Oh my god, I'm actually like dripping sweat from my armpits. Like it's actually disgusting.
Do you need a towel?